Can you explain to us what is an AI factory and why is it important to understand in the 21st century economy?
AI. Oh, we've been talking a lot about AI over the last several years. It's multifaceted, and I think it's helpful to look at it in this lens. First, of course, AI is a new technology. It's a new technology in the sense that it's built differently than software of the past, and this new software can do things that software of the past could not do. And so it's incredible technology. All the things it can do, all the things that we have to do to keep it safe, all the amazing things that it's going to enable, fantastic. So there's the technology layer. The second layer, which is rather new, in the last technology industry, software production, it was done by humans typing. Now we have a new industry, and this software is produced with machinery. So you need a large supercomputer, you apply electricity to it, and what comes flying out of it are tokens. And these tokens could be reformulated into numbers and words and proteins and images and videos and three-dimensional structures. And you could reformulate these tokens into all kinds of things. We call it intelligence. And so this machinery looks different than the machinery of the past. And I call it an AI factory because it does one thing. Every single day it's producing tokens. And the layer above that is infrastructural. And this is the reason why we now internalize that AI is likely going to be quite an extraordinary industrial revolution in the sense that this new technology is going to enable a new industry that I just mentioned, AI factories, the production of intelligence, but it's going to go back and revolutionize and transform every other industry. And so all of these tokens are going to go into healthcare and education. One of my favorites is education. I use it every day for education. Financial services, engineering. We use AI every day for software programming and supply chain management. It's about to go into manufacturing and so on and so forth. And so when you think about it from these three layers, it's very clear this is as transformative, as impactful as electricity was before, and it's going to revolutionize every industry. So it's an industrial revolution.